Stay focused. A very important sentence is that the table gives you area between 0 and something. Table gives you area between 0 and something. I repeat, table gives you area between 0 and something. And area between 0 and positive value is same as area between 0 and negative value. अभी तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. I want your complete concentration. For the next point now, I want your attention. Remember, remember, remember. तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. Remember that probability of capital X is a variable less than or equal to small x. Probability of capital X is less than or equal to small x. This probability is specifically known as cumulative distribution function. This is known as cumulative distribution function. This is especially known as cumulative distribution function that we are going to abbreviate as CDF, and it is denoted by capital F of x, or it is denoted by phi of x, or it is denoted by phi of x. आज का पहला पॉइंट है कि probability of x is less than or equal to small x. Probability of x is less than or equal to small x. This probability is specifically known as the CDF, the cumulative distribution function, and it is denoted by capital F of x, or this is denoted by phi of x. एक मिनट तो मेरे तरफ देखो. Now, in case of the standard normal distribution, remember, in case of the standard normal distribution, in case of the standard normal distribution, probability of capital Z is less than or equal to small z. Mind well, capital Z is a variable and small z is its value. Small z is its value. This will be capital F of small z, or that will be phi of small z, and that is the cumulative distribution function. That is the cumulative distribution function. तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. This is the cumulative distribution function. समझने की कोशिश करो. इसको तुम समझने की कोशिश करो. For example, if I ask you, what is phi of 1.34 or capital F of 1.34, meaning is same, then the very meaning of that, this is probability of Z is less than or equal to 1.34. मेरा तुमको ये सवाल है कि probability of Z is less than or equal to 1.34, इसका literal meaning क्या है? In words, verbal meaning क्या है? The very meaning of this is area to the left of 1.34. Area to the left of 1.34. In every question on normal distribution, you will have to draw a diagram. You will have to draw a diagram. So remember, if 1.34 is here, you want the whole area to the left of it. You want the whole area to the left of it, means you want this area. But tell me, table gives which area? Tell me, table gives which area? Table gives area between 0 and 1.34. ये कभी नहीं भूलना है आपको कि table gives area between 0 and 1.34, like this. Table is giving the area between 0 and 1.34, somewhere like this. Now this area is in the tables. and therefore tell me what is the adjustment for that. This is stable value and you know this half part is 0.5. So tell me what will be the adjustment, guys. Now you don't have to be expert in mathematics for this. This is just a common sense. That it is 0.5 plus stable value if you find, then that is the answer that you want. अभी ये 1.34 की, this is 1.34 की टेबल वैल्यू मेरे को बोलो क्या है. तर 1.34 is somewhere here and this is 4. So 1.34 की जो टेबल वैल्यू है वो है 0.4099. This is 0.4099. बड़ा नो तुमको समझा है क्या? And therefore this will be equal to 0.40. What are the 0.40? So 0.4099. And therefore this is equal to 0.9099. This probability is 0.9099. समझने की कोशिश करो. This probability is 0.9. तो ये पॉइंट सब क्या है तुमको? Capital phi of 1.34 or capital F of 1.34 is the area to the left of 1.34. कोई नहीं लिखेगा, हम तुमको लिखने के लिए समय देंगे. पहले इसको समझने की कोशिश करो because this is extremely important, this is extremely vital. Now if I ask you what is phi of minus 0.54, that means capital F of minus 0.34, then tell me what is this. This is probability of Z is less than or equal to minus 0.34. तुम मेरे को बोलो, अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो कि इसका वर्बल मीनिंग क्या है. लिखो सिंबल में, लिखो सिंबल में, लिखो सिंबल में, लेकिन सोचो वर्ड्स में. और टेल मी व्हाट डज इट मीन. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा सिद्धार्थ? इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? तो इट इज एरिया टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ. This is area to the left of. Area to less means left. So this is the area to left of. To the left of minus 0.54. Sorry. Minus 0.54. No problem. So tell me area to the left of minus 0.54 will be marked as what? Tell me it would be marked to be what? It would be marked as what? Now this is 0. Where is minus 0.54? Where is minus 0.54? Right का क्या संबंध है बड़ा? Less means left सुहासिनी. And therefore this somewhere to the left of this is the value minus 0.54. And what they want us to find is this area. But tell me table gives which area? Table gives which area? The table gives area between 0 and this. Because negative value is same as positive value. Negative value is same as positive value. And therefore, this area would be available in the tables. And therefore, this required area will be 0.5 minus table value for 0.54. Correct now? Because negative and positive, the area is same. Negative and positive, the area is same. So this is 0.5 minus. अभी 0.54 की टेबल वैल्यू मेरे को बोलो क्या है? 0.54 की टेबल वैल्यू क्या है? 0.54 की टेबल वैल्यू क्या है? तर 0.54 इधर है और फिर 4 इधर है ऐसा. तो ये वैल्यू है 0.2054. And therefore, this is going to be 0.5 minus 0.2054. बरोबर करेक्ट किती? 0.2054 करेक्ट. अभी फिर ये जो डिफरेंस आएगा वो तुमका आंसर होएगा. So this is 6. This is 4. Check and confirm. This is 9 and this is 7. Is that? This is 2. So 0.2946 is the area you want. 0.2946 is the area you want. I now ask you, capital F of 0 or phi of 0 will be what? सोचो समझो और फिर जवाब दो. Capital F of 0 or phi of 0 will be what? Capital F of 0 or phi of 0 will be what? बोलो. इसका मीनिंग क्या है बेसिकली? What it means is probability of Z is less than or equal to 0. That means this is area to left of 0. It is area to left of 0. पालन दो समझने की कोशिश करो. It is area to the left of 0. But tell me how much is the area to the left of 0? How much is the area to the left of 0? So this is 0. And left of 0 is the full half part. No? Left of 0 is the full half part. And therefore this probability is 0.5. Hence this probability is 0.5. Area to the left of 0 means complete left of 0 is 0.5. Area to the left of 0 is 0.5. बाळांनो ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? हो मैडम. हाँ, कारण इसका मतलब ही प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ लेस देन है ना स्नेहल. लेस देन हमेशा मींस लेफ्ट. समझने की कोशिश करो. लेस देन मींस लेफ्ट. समझने की कोशिश करो. लेस देन मींस लेफ्ट एंड ग्रेटर देन मींस राइट. और ये मगअप मत करो. दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. स्मॉलर वैल्यूज आर टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट and larger values are towards the right. So it is always like phi means less. Shivam, Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. You have to understand what is Satyam. Berka Shivam. You have to understand what is Satyam. So your life will become Sundaram. Shivam, understand what is Satyam and life will become Sundaram. ये तुमका हुआ है क्या? ये तुमका हुआ है क्या? ये तुमका हुआ है क्या? अभी मैं तुमको अगर मैंने तुमको ऐसा बोला as a fourth, now this is extremely important, that's why I'm repeating. If I tell you that f of a or phi of a is 0.9024, tell me what does that mean? Tell me what would it mean? Capital F of A or phi of A is 0.9024. What does that mean? Tell me इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? Tell me इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? I want your complete concentration. You have to tell me what would be the meaning of this. And the very meaning in words is what? Means area to left of A. Area to the left of A. Area to the left of A is 0.9024. Is 0.9024. Area to the left of A is 0.9024. Welcome. Area to the left of A is 0.9024. अभी सवाल मेरा ये है मेरा तुमसे ये सवाल है कि ये ए पॉजिटिव होगा क्या निगेटिव होगा? ये ए पॉजिटिव होगा या निगेटिव होगा? बोलो ना, ये ए पॉजिटिव होगा या निगेटिव होगा? तो यहां हम एक नोट को लिखने वाले हैं, यहां हम एक नोट को लिखने वाले हैं कि whenever we have to find the value of z, when we had to find the value of z, when we had to find the value of z, value of z means a, that is a. It may be positive, it may be negative. It may be positive or negative. So draw the two diagrams. So always draw the two diagrams. So I had drawn the two diagrams. I had drawn the two diagrams. अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, एक में ये जो a है वह निगेटिव लूंगा और एक डायग्राम में आई विल कंसिडर a टू बी पॉजिटिव। अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, leftward area is 0.94. Can this leftward area be 0.9024? Can this be 0.9024? Because 0.9024 is 90.24%. Can this small area be 0.9024? No, because this is the small area and this small area cannot be this, so this diagram is wrong. And then you try to understand that this leftward area, yes, it is 0.40, rather what, 90924. Therefore ये जो पूरा area है, that is 0.9024. This is confirmed that A is positive. It is confirmed that A is positive. It is confirmed therefore that A is positive. अभी मेरा तुमसे ये सवाल है कि ये अगर पूरा एरिया 0.9024 है तो फिर टेल मी हाउ मच इज द वैल्यू, हाउ मच इज द एरिया बिटवीन 0 एंड A? टेल मी हाउ मच वुड बी द एरिया बिटवीन 0 एंड A? ये पूरा एरिया 0.9024 है, बट उसमें से दिस एरिया इज 0.5, so remaining area is going to be 0.9024 minus 0.5, that means 0.4024. पर नो, ये एरिया मतलब टेबल वैल्यू हो गया, so that is nothing but the table value. ये जो 0.4024 है वो टेबल वैल्यू बन गई। तो हमने अभी उल्टा जर्नी शुरू किया है, हमने अभी उल्टा सफर शुरू किया है। We are coming towards the value of z. पहले अभी ये सब तुम लिखो, फिर हम कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स इस पे देखते हैं, फिर हम कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स इस पे देखते हैं। करो, तुम इसको करो, तुम इसको करो, तुम इसको इसलिए करो, तुम इसको इसलिए करो क्योंकि अगर तुम इसको नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम इसको करेंगे, तो फिर हम इसको करेंगे, बराबर ना? तुम अगर इसको नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हमें करना पड़ेगा। अभी ये पूरा तुम सब पूरा करो, अभी तुम ये पूरा पूरा करो। हो गया है क्या तुमका? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? बाळांनो, ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हम्म, ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? तुम इसको पूरा करो. See how many ambulances every day are going by the road. How many times we hear that sound, siren. Very critical. हम्म, करो पटकन, करो तुम पटकन. ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? बाळांनो, हे तुमचं झालंय का? हो गया है क्या? तुमका हो गया है क्या? तो फिर अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। तो अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। मेरे कहा अभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा, अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, फिर हम जल्दी ही प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फिर ये फटाफट पूरा हो गई है। कुछ जो पहले बैकग्राउंड है वो समझना चाहिए, जो पहले इसका जो फाउंडेशन है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए। तो अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। आई आस्क यू I ask you, probability of Z is less than or equal to 1.23 is equal to what? तो तुम मेरे को बोलो कि ये तुम कैसे करेंगे। तुम मेरे को बोलो कि ये तुम कैसे करेंगे। Probability of Z is less than or equal to 1.23 इसको तुम कैसे करेंगे। बताओ। तो आप ये एक मिनट तुम फटाफट फटाफट बोलो, अभी जवाब दो। How? What is the meaning of this? The very meaning of this is that this is area to left of, area to the left of 1.23. So here what has happened is, I know the Z value and the probability or area has to be found. Probability or area has to be found. Listen carefully. I know the Z value. And they are asking me area is what? They are asking me area means probability is what? But in case if I say probability of Z is less than or equal to A is 0.3024, something like that. So tell me इसका meaning क्या होगा? Now what it means is that this is given. This area probability is given. This area that is probability is given. And we have to find the Z value. बाळांनो हे तुम्हाला कळतंय का? यहाँ Z value given, area to be found, and here area is given, Z value is to be found. क्लियर? पहले तुम ये इसका बेसिक डिफरेंस समझा है क्या देखो। So in normal distribution problem may be of two types. Z value is given, area has to be found, and area is given, Z value has to be found. And therefore my note over here is, कोई लिखेगा नहीं. Again and again I'm telling you, understand that's more important than writing. So if I ask you, probability of Z is less than or equal to 1.23 is equal to what? What it means is that this is area to left of 1.23. तो मेरे को बोलो कि ये निकालना है, तो फिर कैसे निकालेंगे? Sir, here I know the Z value which is 1.23. This is the Z value. This is known. And I want to find the area to the left of it. That means I want to find the full left. But table gives me area between this. The table would give me area between this. I am writing well, this is 0.5. So it is 0.5 plus table value for 1.23. So 0.5 plus. Now tell me what is the table value for 1.23? What is the table value for 1.23? What is the table value for 1.23? So this is 1.2 and this is 3. and the corresponding value is here, and that value is 0.3907. This is 0.3907. And therefore this required area is going to be equal to 0.45 plus 0.3907, and therefore this is equal to, this is 0.8907. Hence this is equal to 0.8907. यारे बाळांनो तुम्हाला हे कळलंय का? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? So in this problem what happened, Z is given and area means probability is found. Area means probability is found. बाळांनो समजून घ्या हे. So in this very first problem what has happened is Z value is given and the area is to be found. तो अभी यहाँ एक नोट लिखो. First of all write the note here. ये नोट लिखो, वैसे यहाँ लिखा है, वैसे यहाँ सब कुछ लिखा है. यहाँ चलो हम ये नोट को ही यूज करके आगे जाते हैं. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Here the note has been written. Here the note has been written. In normal distribution, problem is of two types. In the normal distribution, the problem is of two types. And the two types are Z value is given and the probability is asked, or the probability or proportion or area is given and Z value is asked. पहले तुमको मेरा ये आर्ग्यूमेंट समझा है क्या? Z value is given and the area or proportion or probability has to be found, or probability or proportion of or area is given, Z value has to be found. Question may be of two types. अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो और फिर मेरे को बोलो कि this first problem is of what type? First problem is of what type? It is Z is given. Z is given and probability or area is asked. इस तरीके का यह क्वेश्चन है. तो फिर अभी तुम मेरे तरफ देखो कि 1.24 is positive 1.24 on the right side. And what they want is to find the area to the left of it. That means we have to find the area to the left of this. We have to find the area to the left of this. We have to find the area to the left of this. But meanwhile, in that table gives the area between 0 and something. So table will give this area and this area is 0.5. So it is 0.5 plus table value. So 0.5 plus tell me table value for 1.24 is what? अभी तुम देखो उसके तरफ और फिर मेरे को बोलो कि ये टेबल वैल्यू है तो क्या है? This is 0.3925. This is 0.3925. And therefore this happens to be equal to 0.8925. That is 89.25% area. Area is to the left of 1.24. Is to the left of 1.24. बाळांनो हे तुम्हाला कळलंय का? बाळांनो ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? इसको तुम पहला पार्ट अभी पूरा करो. Or as far as possible, don't copy, try to do it on your own. As far as possible, try to do it on your own, don't try to copy. टेबल आपके सामने है क्या? मैंने तुमको बोला था कि टेबल को अपने सामने रखो. वो एक पेज उसका जेरोक्स करो और सामने रखो, या तो फिर मोबाइल फोन पे लो उसका फोटो और फिर उसमें देखो. But I think keeping Xerox is better. Keeping the Xerox of that one page would be better. So you can refer to it quickly. करो बाळांनो तुम इसको करो. करो तुम पटकन. हो गया है क्या बाळांनो तुमका? तुमका ये हो गया है क्या? Okay. Now I come to the second one. You have to tell me the problem is of what type. You have to tell me that this question is of what type. Is Z given or is probability given? Is Z given or is probability given? Kyle. Z is given. So here, even here what is happening is Z is given and probability or area is asked. Area or probability is what? That's the question. Now tell me what is the meaning of this. This means area to right of 0.69, right of 0.69. But area to the right of 0.69, so 0.69 is somewhere here. And what we want is area to the right of that. What we want is the area to the right of that. Means we want the area to right of that means this. But tell me table gives which area? Tell me table gives which area? The table gives this area. So my question is tell me how will you find this area? The total half part is 0.5. Total half part is 0.5. And therefore this 0.5 minus table value is the answer that you want. So it is 0.5 minus, अभी 0.69 कैसे देखेंगे इसको? तर 0.6 is here and 9 is here and this area we want to find. So tell me for 0.69 what is the table value? For 0.69 what is the table value? It is 0.2549. 0.2549. So this is 1, this is 5, this is 4, this is 2. 0.2451 is the area. Check and confirm. Check and confirm. बाळांनो इसको confirm करो. इसको तुम confirm करो. 0.2549. 0.5 minus that 0.2451 is the area that we want. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? This area was to be found, and yes, we have found the area. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Very good. Now I want your attention. यहाँ कुछ अलग हो रहा है. यहाँ कुछ अलग हो रहा है. Here something different is happening. Here something different is happening. My question to you is, tell me now what is the meaning of this given statement? ये इसका meaning क्या है? Given statement का meaning क्या है? What it means is area to the left of A. Area to the left of A is 0.89. Area to the left of A is 0.89. बाळांनो हो म्हणा. Area to the left of A is 0.89. That means in this problem Z is given. In this problem Z is given and the probability is asked. Area is asked. Probability is asked. This is. अभी सवाल ये होता है कि ये जो A है, जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. This A could be positive, this A could be negative. We don't know whether it is positive or negative. We don't know whether it is positive or negative. एक मिनट मेरे तरफ देखो. Probability is given, Z value is to be found, but that Z value which is A may be positive, may be negative, we are not sure. May be positive, may be negative, we are not sure. And therefore, remember, we are going to write a note over here. And that we have already written once, but I am going to repeat. That whenever we have to find the value of Z, whenever, we already written, I am repeating. When we had to find the value of Z, when we had to find the value of Z, whenever we had to find the value of Z, draw two diagrams. Draw two diagrams. And among those two diagrams, only one will be correct. Only one will be correct. You have to find out which one is correct. तो जब जब Z value निकालना है तब तब I will draw the two diagrams. जब जब ये Z value निकालना है तब तब I will draw the two diagrams. तुम जरा मेरी तरफ देखो. Whenever I have to find these, I will draw the two diagrams. Correct? This is one diagram. And this is the other diagram. This is the one diagram and this is the other diagram. देखो अब तुम कोई नहीं बोलेगा. This is the first diagram and this is the second diagram. So tell me, in the first diagram, I will take Z as negative. In one diagram, then I will have to take Z as positive. So if you look at this first diagram, in that diagram, if I take A negative, and in one more diagram, if I take that A as positive, अभी मेरे को बोलो, leftward area 0.89. तो ये जो यहाँ leftward area है वो 0.89 means 89% हो सकता है क्या? और फिर इधर अगर मैंने ये लेफ्टवर्ड एरिया कंसीडर किया तो फिर सवाल है कि ये 89% हो सकता है, तो इसमें कौन सा 89% नहीं हो सकता, इसमें कौन सा एरिया 89% नहीं हो सकता, तो द फर्स्ट डायग्राम इज नॉट पॉसिबल, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। एक मिनट मेरे तरफ देखो, कोई नहीं लिखेगा, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, so this is correct, one of them is correct, but remember this area is 0.5, so tell me what is the table value, means 0 between this, between 0 and that 8 is the table value na, so tell me what will be the table value, tell me what will be the table value, पूरा एरिया था 0.89 माइनस हाफ पार्ट है 0.5, तो दिस एरिया इज 0.39, दिस एरिया इज 0.39, तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो, दिस एरिया इज 0.39, अभी क्या हो गया, earlier problem what did we do, in the earlier problem z was given and area was found, means we come from out to in, z value was known and we find the area, means in the table we came from out to in, we came from out to in, but now in this problem what is happening is, in this problem what is happening is, now we know that area is 0.39 and this z value is what, so I had to go from in to out, so I had to go from in to out, जरा मेरे तरफ देखो, we had to go from in to out, ये 0.39 z value नहीं है, वो एरिया है, तो एरिया ये टेबल के बीच में होगा, and therefore looking at this table, looking at this table, now you have to tell me, धीरे धीरे समझेगा, एकदम नहीं समझेगा, समझने की कोशिश करो, यहाँ 0.39 की अगल बगल की वैल्यू क्या है, 0.39 की पहले की वैल्यू क्या है, 0.39 की पहले की वैल्यू क्या है, जरा क्लोज वैल्यू बिफोर, नहीं एक मिनट, क्लोज वैल्यू बिफोर 0.39, बिफोर कळतं का तुम्हाला जाणवी, what is the value before 0.39, what is the value before 0.39, so before 0.39 that value is what, 0.3888, that value is 0.3888, देखो मेरे तरफ, that value is 0.3888, that is 0.3888, और जरा से बाद में की जो वैल्यू है वो है 0.39, वो है 0.39, 12 मेरे तरफ देखो, 0.3888, this is just the value before it, this is the value before it, 0.3888, this is the value before it, or 0.3907, this is the value after it, अभी मेरे को बोलो कि 0.39 को कौन सी वैल्यू क्लोजेस्ट है, क्लोजर है इन दोनों के बीच में, यहाँ का डिफरेंस अगर तुम देखेंगे तो वो 12 का है और यहाँ का डिफरेंस 7 का है, दिस इज 7 शॉर्ट, दिस इज 12 शॉर्ट and this is 7 extra, 7 beyond, 7 exceed, you understand, so the difference 7 is better and therefore I pick up this value, अभी 0.3907 के लिए ये वैल्यू क्या है मेरे को बोलो, तो दिस इज 1.2 और फिर यहाँ द वैल्यू इज 3, so the value is 1.23, so this value is now found to be 1.2 and this is 3, so this z value is positive 1.23, a means the z value, so a value is positive 1.23, it is confirmed to be on right side, ये तुमको समझा है क्या, नहीं समझा है तो नहीं बढ़ो, यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक, अगर नहीं समझा है तो यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक, है इजी लेकिन शुरू शुरू में थोड़ा समझने के लिए पसीना बहाना पड़ेगा, और वैसे भी सिखाया जाता है मिलिट्री में कि पसीना बहाएंगे तो खून नहीं बहेगा जंग में, खून को बचाना है बहने से, तो आज पसीना बहाना चाहिए। परत सांगतो, आई एम रेडी टू डू दिस प्रॉब्लम वंस अगेन। एक मिनट तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, कोई नहीं लिखेगा, कोई नहीं बोलेगा। टेल मी व्हाट इज गिवन। ये येलो नोट तुमने लिखा है क्या? ये येलो वाला नोट तुमने लिखा है क्या? हाँ, तो फिर मैं अभी इसको भी रब करता हूँ, तो विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द प्रॉब्लम अफ्रेश। माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज व्हाट इज गिवन? Probability of z is less than a is equal to 0.39. This has been given. 0.89. This has been given. This is given. Okay. Now what it means is 89% area. 89% area to left of A. To the left of A. But remember, A may be positive, A may be negative. We have to decide which one is correct. This point we have to decide. Whether it is positive or negative, we have to decide. So I draw the two diagrams. Clear? So I draw the two diagrams. In one diagram, I may mark that ZA is negative, and in one diagram, I will mark that A to be positive. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, लेफ्ट वाला एरिया 89%, तो ये ऐसा एरिया 89% हो सकता है क्या? कैन दिस एरिया बी 0.89? फर्स्ट वाला, तर ये पिटुकला एरिया 0.89 मीन्स 89% नहीं हो सकता, तो दिस डायग्राम इज करेक्ट. Now remember, we want table value, but table value is between 0 and something. So ये 0.5 है और फिर ये टेबल वैल्यू है, तो फिर टेबल वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? वो पूरा एरिया था 0.89, लेकिन हाफ पार्ट को रिड्यूस किया तो फिर 0.39 रहा. पर अभी मेरा सवाल ये है कि ये 0.39 क्या है? तर 0.39 is the probability. This is the area, and probability or area is to be found in the central part of the table. Now we know the area, and we have to determine z value is what. So we have to come from into out. अभी मैंने क्या किया कि 0.39 ये एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू अवेलेबल ही नहीं है टेबल में. अगर टेबल के सेंट्रल पार्ट के तरफ देखेंगे तो 0.39 एग्जैक्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो फिर मैंने क्या किया, एक वैल्यू इसके जस्ट बिफोर चुना, एक वैल्यू जस्ट आफ्टर दैट इज व्हाट दैट आई डिसाइडेड. Before that is 0.3888 and after that is 0.3907. अभी सिंपल सवाल है, अभी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है कि 0.3888 बरं 0.3888 आणि 0.3907 इसमें से क्लोजर वैल्यू कौन सी है? तर ये दोनों के बीच में का डिफरेंस 12 का होता है, बराबर है. 39 और 88 इसमें का डिफरेंस कितने का हो गया? 12 का हो गया. और फिर यहां दोनों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो सिर्फ 7 का है, तो 7 इज प्रीफर्ड. देयरफॉर आई कीप दिस वैल्यू. अभी टेबल में देखो कि 3907 के लिए z वैल्यू क्या था, तो ये था 1.2 और फिर इसके लिए वैल्यू है 3, and therefore this z value appears to be 1.2 and 3, and therefore this z value is positive because it is marked to be positive. That value is marked to be positive 1.3. को बड़ा बना दो, ये तुमको समझाएगा. So whenever we have to find the z value, we always have to consider two diagrams. Whenever we have to find the z value, we need to consider two diagrams. In one, mark it negative, in one, mark it positive. One of them is wrong, so the other is correct of the. करो बाळांनो तुम इसको करो. Beautiful question. It's a beautiful question. Beautiful. लिखो पटकन. हो गया है क्या बानो? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया ना बानो? ये तुम्हारा हो गया है क्या? तो मेरे को बोलो कि कैन यू अटेंड द लेक्चर एट इन द मॉर्निंग एट 8:15 और some days? Can you attend the lecture at 8:15 in the morning for some days? कोई प्रॉब्लम? कोई शक? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर मेरे को बोलो. No problem, anybody. I'm asking you the question repeatedly. If there is a problem to meet at 8:15 in the morning, is there any problem to anybody? Okay, no problem. Then tomorrow we'll meet at 8:15 in the morning instead of 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll meet at 8:15 in the morning in place of afternoon. Okay, no problem. अभी तुम इसके तरफ देखो, ये चौथे के लिए. अभी तुम थोड़ा सा इसके लिए कोशिश करेंगे क्या? तुम इसके लिए थोड़ा सा अपना अपना कोशिश करेंगे क्या? That's what I'm asking, na Aditya. That's what I'm asking. You people are not talking only. BCom exam at 9 o'clock. कितने लोगों की है? ठीक है, we'll think. We shall think over it. We shall think over it. So can we meet at 10 o'clock? Can we meet at 10 o'clock? Can we meet at 10:15? Okay, 10:15. 10:15 is fine, everyone. 10:15 is fine, it seems to everyone. Okay. Okay. So we confirm the time. Tomorrow we shall meet at 10:15. Okay. Tomorrow we shall meet at 10:15. Shimano, we should meet at 10:15, no problem. हाँ, तो तुम अब इस पार्ट के लिए मेरे तरफ देखो, इस पार्ट के वास्ते अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. For this part now you have to look at me. Tell me what is the meaning of this sentence. The very meaning of this sentence is area to right of A. Area to the right of A is 0.21. That is 21%. That is 21%. But remember, I draw the two diagrams. I am going to draw the two diagrams. I draw the two diagrams. In one diagram, I mark that A to be negative. In one diagram, I mark that A to be positive. अभी greater than A is 21%. अभी अब मेरा अभी तुमको सिंपल सवाल ये है कि tell me, can this area be 21%? And can this area be 21%? Can this area be 21% and can this area be 21%? That's my question. So this cannot be 21% because this itself is 0.5. So it itself is 50%. So this is not correct, but this is correct. Then my question to you is, tell me, now this is the, look at me and do tell me, this is the table value. यहाँ जो बीच में है वो table value है. यार वो है ना, यहाँ जो बीच में है वो टेबल वैल्यू है, तो फिर ये टेबल वैल्यू कितनी होगी? टेल मी, ये टेबल वैल्यू कितनी होगी? तो इट वुड बी 0.5 पूरा एरिया माइनस राइटवर्ड एरिया इज 0.21, rightward area is 0.21 and therefore this area is 0.29. So the table value happens to be 0.29. अभी मेरे को क्या करना है, 0.29 के लिए सेंट्रल पार्ट में उसको ढूंढना है. मेरे को 0.29 के लिए देखना है. I need to find the value before it and I need to find the value after it. अभी 0.29 के लिए बीच में इस टेबल के अंदर ढूंढो and tell me what is the value just before 0.29. What is the value just before 0.29? And that value you can see, that value easily you can locate, that it is here 0.2889 and the next value is 0.2910. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो, अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो कि 0.2881 एंड 0.2910 इसमें से क्लोजर कौन है? इसमें से हु इज क्लोजर? तो यहाँ का डिफरेंस 19 का हो गया और यहाँ का डिफरेंस 10 का हो गया, तो दिस इज क्लोजर. अभी फिर तुमको ये देखना है कि ये वैल्यू कितनी है. दिस इज 0.8 और फिर दिस इज 1, फिर दिस इज 1 and therefore this is 0.8 and this is 1. So this z value is positive 0.81 because it is marked to be on the right side. It is positive 0.81. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये बाळांनो तुमको समझा है क्या? टेबल व्हॅल्यू नाही देत रे, पण ते आपण बघू ना. विल डू द एमसीक्यू दॅट टाइम विल सी. ओंकार ते देतात झेड व्हॅल्यू बाळा, ते 2-3 व्हॅल्यूज देतात. वी हॅव टू पिक अप द राईट वन. They give the values, 2-3 values they give. We have to pick up the right one. Generally. हो गया है क्या तुमका? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हम्म। तो फिर ये तीसरा क्वेश्चन हम तुम्हारे लिए छोड़ते हैं। ये तीसरा क्वेश्चन हम तुम्हारे लिए छोड़ते हैं। ट्राई करो, कोशिश करो, क्योंकि करेंगे कोशिश, करेंगे कोशिश तो मिलेगी कशिश। करो पटकन। विचारायचं काय? विचारायचं वी हॅड डेट, असं विचारायचं. वी हॅड डेट काय अजिंक्य, असं विचारायचं कोणाला तरी. डू वी हॅड डेट्स? बरं का? मग ती जर चिडली तर म्हणायचं हे तुला चिडायला काय आलं? तुमको चिढ़ने को क्या हुआ? मैं तो तुमको ये पूछ रहा था कि तुमको खजूर चाहिए क्या? तुमको खजूर चाहिए क्या? डेट मीन्स खजूर. कळलं का? तुमको चिढ़ने को क्या हो गया? मेरे टिफिन में डेट्स है, तुमको चाहिए क्या? यह मैंने तुमको पूछा. हो गया क्या बाळांनो? हम्म. बस. संस्कृती झालं का बाळा? संस्कृती प्रॉब्लेम हो गया क्या? हो गया है क्या? ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया है क्या बाळांनो? तो मेरे तरफ देखो अभी। इसका मतलब है कि एरिया टू राइट ऑफ ए, area to the right of A is 0.69, that is 69%. I draw the two diagrams. In one diagram, I mark this A to be negative, and in one diagram, I mark that A to be positive. Here that A is marked supposed to be negative, and here that A suppose is marked to be positive. अभी तुम मेरे को बोलो कि right of A 69%. Tell me, can this area be 69%? Tell me, can this area be 69%? Can this area be 69%? Which is wrong? Which is wrong? Tell me which is wrong. Second is wrong because इतना सा particular area 69% नहीं हो सकता. So this is correct. But try to understand in between that. Try to understand this is the table value. So in between this, what is this table value? This is 0.5. So table value is what? Tell me this table value will be what? Tell me what would be the table value. This is 0.5, 0.69 minus 0.5, which is 0.19. This is 0.19. तो अभी हम 0.19 के लिए ढूंढते हैं. We search for 0.19. Just a value before it and a value after it. Look at the table and tell me 0.19 के पहले वाली वैल्यू कौन है? 0.19 की पहली वाली वैल्यू है 0.1879. Look, it's 0.1879 and then it is 0.1915. तो 0.1879 देखो मेरे तरफ. This is 0.1879 and this is 0.1915. अभी tell me which is closer one. ये क्लोजर है क्या? ये क्लोजर. यहाँ डिफरेंस 21 का है, इधर 15 का है. तो which one is closer? This is closer. Now for that matter this value is 0.8. देखो मेरे तरफ. For that matter this value is 0.5 and 0. This value is 0.5 and for this it is 0. So this Z value is minus 0.5 because Z is marked on left side. That Z is marked on left side. Therefore, this is marked to be negative. नेगेटिव के लिए ये वैल्यू मार्क की गई है तो यू हैव टू राइट z वैल्यू इज -0.5. You have to write that this is -0.5. बाळांनो हो म्हणा. हो असं म्हणा. हो असं म्हणा. हो गया है क्या तुमका? वेरी फाइन, वेरी फाइन, वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी 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 गुड। तो फिर ये क्वेश्चन के लिए तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। अभी कोई भी कुछ भी बोलेगा नहीं और फिर कोई भी कुछ भी बोलेगी भी नहीं। पहले तुम मेरे तरफ देखो, पहले तुम मेरे तरफ देखो बेटा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए यू हैव टू स्टे फोकस्ड, लुक एट मी। हाइट ऑफ group of soldiers were found to be normally distributed with the mean of 66 inches at the standard deviation of 5 inches. My very first question to you is, tell me what is normally distributed. Tell me what is normally distributed. Tell me what is normally distributed. Height. And therefore, I would say that this height is x. This height is x and is normally distributed with the mean mu is 66 and the standard deviation sigma is 5. बाळांनो, ये मेरा पहला आर्ग्यूमेंट तुमको समझा क्या? कोई लिखेगा नहीं. I will give you time to write, but this is very important to understand this. Tell me this x is following normal distribution with mu is 66 and sigma is 5. Is that clear to you? Verify. Then I want the first probability. That probability of that height is greater than 6 feet. But remember, we are talking in terms of 66 inches. So tell me this feet had to be converted to inches. So tell me this x is greater than 6 feet means how many inches? Remember, 12 inches means 1 foot. That means 1 foot. So 6 feet means how many? 6 feet means how many? 6 feet means how many inches? 72 inches. So that means this x is greater than 72. एक मिनट मेरे तरफ देखो. But the table that is made is not for x but is for z. So I will have to convert this x to z. हे खूप सोपं आहे बाळांनो, इकडे बघा. I will have to convert this x to z. Tell me how do we convert x to z? That x minus mu over sigma is z. We have seen this already. Table is made for z, so we convert x to z. And the conversion formula is x minus mu over sigma. So what I do now is that this is same as probability of x minus mu over sigma is greater than 72. अभी यहाँ हम mu की वैल्यू लिखेंगे. On left side I write mu and sigma, but on right side I will write their values. On the right side I would write their values. But x minus mu over sigma is z, so this is z is greater than. Now this is 6 by 5 means 1.2. बाळांनो हो म्हणा. बाळांनो याला हो म्हणा. Abhi remember, therefore what it means is saying that x is greater than 6 feet is equivalent to saying that z is greater than 72 inches. Where z is greater than 1.2. I repeat, saying x is greater than 6 feet. Saying x is greater than 72 inches is equivalent to saying that z is greater than 1.2. But इसका meaning होता है that this is area to right of. Area to right of 1.2. हमेशा आपको डायग्राम निकालना पड़ेगा. There is no option. So this is 0. Somewhere out here this is 1.2. And we want the area to the right of that. That means we want this area. But tell me, table would give you which area? Table would give you which area? And the table gives this area. The table would give this area. This will come from the tables. Okay. So tell me, what is the adjustment now? To talk, what is the adjustment? So this value is the table value. And if that is true, tell me what is the adjustment. ये पिंक एरिया आप कैसे निकालेंगे? ये पिंक वैल्यू आप कैसे निकालेंगे पिंक एरिया की वैल्यू? So this is 0.5 minus the table value. Now tell me this is 0.5, 1.2 की टेबल वैल्यू कैसे ढूंढेंगे? पर 1.2 means 1.20. तो 1.20 की टेबल वैल्यू देखो क्या है? 1.20 की टेबल वैल्यू है 0.3461 and therefore ये 0.5 माइनस 0.3461 आएगा तो ये कितना होता है? तो ये कितना होता है? तो दिस इज पॉइंट बोला, दिस इज 9, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 5 and this is what? 1. So 0.1539 means 15.39% soldiers. 15.39 soldiers have the height more than 66 inches. 66 inches. Sorry, that is what? 72 inches. And 72 inches, that is 6 feet. तो ये उसका मीनिंग हो गया. तो what we have to do is we convert x to z. We convert x to z by no. ये तुमको समझा है क्या पहला पार्ट? ये पहला पार्ट तुमको समझा है क्या? यार आता 1 पॉइंट कसं व्हायचं तुमचं 1.20 की टेबल वैल्यू क्या है? 1.20 की टेबल वैल्यू है 0.3849. कसं व्हायचं? दिस इज 0.3849. ये वैल्यू है 0.3849. अगर यही तुमने नीट नहीं समझा तो फिर कैसे होगा? तो दिस वैल्यू इज 0.38 बोला 0.3849. तो ये डिफरेंस कितने का हो गया? दिस डिफरेंस टर्न्स टू बी व्हाट? एंड दिस डिफरेंस टर्न्स टू बी 1.511. And therefore 11.51% soldiers had a height more than 72 inches. That's B. करो पूरा. ये तुम पूरा करो. 1.20 की टेबल वैल्यू है 0.3849. This is seen in the tables. करो. ये एग्जाम में डायरेक्ट देंगे. This value will be given to you directly in the exam. So 11.51% soldiers are having the height more than 6 feet. More than 6 feet. हो गया है कि तुमका? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? हो गया है क्या तुमका? बाळांनो ये तुमका हो गया है क्या? तो फिर अभी सेकंड पार्ट तुम करो. That is between 70 and 75 inches. So what you want is probability of. What you want is probability of. तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. And what you want is probability of 70 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 75. बराबर है कि नहीं? We want between 70 and 75. पर मेरे को ये x को z में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज 70 minus 66 that over 5 less than or equal to x minus mu over sigma less than or equal to 75 minus 66 and that over 5. So that is equal to probability of this is 4 by 5 is 0.8 less than or equal to z and that is less than or equal to कितना 75 minus 66 कितना होता है 9 और 9 upon 5 कितना होता है this is 1.8. So that means we want area between 0.8 and 1.8. 0.8 and 1.8. So this is 0. Somewhere out here is this 0.8 and somewhere here is this 1.8. Now we want the area between these. We want the area between these. But tell me, table will give you area between what and what? 0 and something. So table should give me the area like this. That it will give me 0 to this. And it can also give me the area from 0 to this. And therefore, if I take a difference, then I will get an area I want. If I take a difference, then I get an area that you want. So this could be adjusted to be table value for 1.8 minus table value for 0.8. तो 1.8 means 1.8 and 0. इसकी वैल्यू देखो. फिर 0.8 and 0. इसकी वैल्यू देखो टेबल्स में कितनी होती है. तो 1.8 के लिए वैल्यू क्या है? This is 0.2881 is that. 1.8 की वैल्यू क्या है? Then 1.8 की वैल्यू है 0.464541. This is 0.4541. This is 0.4541. And then 10 is 0.8 की वैल्यू कितनी है? This is 0.2881. यार बरो ना 0.4641 and minus this is 0.2881. Tell me how much is the difference? Tell me how much is the difference? That is 0.176. 0.176. So what it means is 17.6% are having the height between these 70 inches and 75 inches. ये इसका मीनिंग हो गया. ये इसका मीनिंग हो गया. ये भारी है कि नहीं? सोपा है कि नहीं है? एकदम इसमें कोई मैथमेटिक्स नहीं लगता. कुछ भी तुमको याद नहीं रखना पड़ता. भारी की नहीं? ये तुमको समझा है क्या बात? ये तुमको समझा है क्या नहीं? मेरे को बोलो कि ये तुमको समझा है क्या? हेलो का बाळांनो, तुमका हो गया है क्या? हो गया है क्या तुमका? हम्म, हो गया है क्या? तो तीसरा करो ना अभी तुम। लेस देन 77 inches. See, the third part is less than 77 inches. Less than 77 inches means probability of x is less than 77. Mind an equality sign, you may write, you may delete, no problem. X minus mu over sigma is 77 minus 66, that over 5 means probability of z is less than or equal to, अभी ये difference कितने का होता है? Is that 2.2? Is that 2.2? हाँ, तो अभी 2.2 value is marked to be on the right side. So this is 2.2 and we want the area to the left of that. We want the area to the left of that. But tell me, table gives which area? Tell me, table should give which area? Table gives us which area? And the table gives you this area. This is given by the tables and this is 0.5. So the adjustment is 0.5 plus table value. So this is 0.5 plus. Now tell me what is the table value? Tell me what is the table value? So 0.4861. 0.4861. So that means this is 0.9861. So it's 98.61%. 98.61% people have height less than this. ये तुमको समझा है क्या? तो अभी ये बाकी के पार्ट जो है वो तुम होमवर्क में करेंगे क्या? ये बाकी के पार्ट्स तुम होमवर्क में करेंगे क्या? तो वो पार्ट्स और फिर ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन, ये आज का होमवर्क है. That part and this second part is the homework for the day. Welcome. that is the homework for the day. अभी तुम इसके लिए मेरे तरफ देखो, ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन के लिए सिर्फ एक बार मेरे तरफ देखो. They are asking you, Berga, number of people. Tell me, how do you find the number of people? The number of people is nothing but probability for one person. Is probability for one person and multiplied by the total number of people. Now the total number of people is given to be what? 10,000. तो एक के लिए probability निकालो और फिर 10,000 से multiply करो, तो you will get a number. And when you want percentage, then find the probability for 1 and multiply it by 100. You will get a percentage. Probability निकालो और 10,000 से multiply करेंगे तो number मिलेगा और 100 से multiply करेंगे तो फिर percentage मिलेगा. हे कळलं का बाळांनो? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Good. So we'll try, we check the answers tomorrow. Tomorrow at what time will we be meeting? 10:15. We shall be meeting at 10:15 tomorrow morning. Goodbye then. Sakari, of course.